Welcome back to the FlipNerd.com REI Classroom, where experts from across the real estate investing industry teach you quick lessons to take your business to the next level. And now, let's meet today's expert host.
Hi, I'm Greg White from Imagine Home Realty in Detroit. I'll be your host on the REI Classroom today. And today we're going to go over understanding the eviction risk in investments.
This REI Classroom real estate lesson is sponsored by UglyOpportunities.com.
Eviction risk is a high possibility in distressed markets. It's something that you have to consider whenever you are plotting your numbers on paper to determine whether an investment is solid or not. You can have an investment that looks on paper to be 20 or 30% cash on cash return. However, the risk of eviction can completely change your number. It can go from a profitable investment to a negative investment very quickly if you get stuck with an eviction. This is why having a great property manager that spends a good amount of time vetting the potential tenants, it can make all the difference in the world. They need to be pulling credit history. They definitely need to reach out to previous landlords. Eviction history is the most important thing. Checking income levels to make sure that they can afford the house and not just rent it out. There's a lot of managers out there that will, somebody walks in with cash, they're happy that they're going to be able to make their commission, and they'll just lease the property right there. Odds are high that you're going to end up in an eviction, which can completely ruin your investment. Each state is a little bit different when it comes to evictions, but you definitely should look into the laws in your particular state where you're going to invest in. In the Detroit market, or Michigan, generally speaking, is about 45 to 60 days, and the process can cost up to $1,500, sometimes even $2,000. The court process usually starts with a 7-day notice, followed by filing a 30-day notice in court, then ultimately getting a court date, and the judge gives them a certain amount of time to leave. If they don't, then you have to hire a bailiff, which is a court officer, to come out and physically evict them, throw them out of the house. You also have to rent a dumpster in Michigan, and the process, if they don't leave at any point, can be as high as $1,500 or $2,000, and again, take 45 to 60 days. So making sure that you have a property manager in place that is going to truly vet and do the best that they can to make sure that you're getting high quality tenants, even if that takes longer. One of the most important things that I can tell people is when we're managing properties, when we're taking care of our clients and our investors here, we work with investors from all over the world, and they're sometimes so concerned with how long it's taking to rent. It's been 2 weeks, it's been 3 weeks, and we haven't got this rented yet. That is oftentimes because there's been so many applications, but none of them work out. And I tell people all the time, and it's hard for them to understand and believe, but it is much better if a property sits on the market for rent for a month and a half to find a great tenant, as opposed to renting it day one and having to evict that tenant 2 weeks later. Now your entire investment has just went awry and you're throwing good money after bad. So do your due diligence, understand, find out what your state's laws are regarding evictions. In distressed markets, you really need to do even more due diligence where eviction rates are higher. So if you have any questions, look to your nearest property manager, do a lot of research on them, read reviews, reach out to other clients that have used them before, and reach out to your local municipality or state to find out their laws on evictions.
HomeVestors, the We Buy Ugly Houses folks, is a franchise system of hundreds of real estate investors that have purchased over 65,000 houses. If you'd like to learn more about the most powerful real estate investing system in existence, whether you're a pro looking to take your business to the next level, or whether you have no experience at all but a burning passion to be successful in real estate investing, please visit flipnerd.com/ugly to learn more. Please note, the views and opinions expressed by the individuals in this program do not necessarily reflect those of FlipNerd.com or any of its partners, advertisers, or affiliates. Please consult professionals before making any investment or tax decisions, as real estate investing can be risky. Are you a member yet of FlipNerd.com, the hottest real estate investing social community online? If not, you can join for free in less than 30 seconds and get access to hundreds of off-market deals, vendors in your market to help you in your business. And you can start networking with thousands of other investors just like you. Get your free account now at flipnerd.com. Please check out the Flip Nerd family of real estate investing shows, where you can access hundreds of expert interviews, quick tips, and lessons from leaders across the real estate investing industry. They're available at flipnerd.com/shows, or simply search for Flip Nerd in the iTunes Store.